Okay, so this is how you're going to withdraw your money in the Access Bank. Okay, first you have to go on to our website www.allianceinmotion.com. Okay, so you just have to select that one, and then after that these things will be shown. Okay, you have in there the market. Okay, for us we're going to select the Philippines, but for you you have to select the Nigeria. Then after selecting that, the next page will be shown. This is the next page, and then you go on to the membership login. Okay, did you see that one? This one, membership login. You click it. Then after clicking it, okay, you just have to wait. Okay, after clicking it, this one will be shown. Welcome to Alliance in Motion Global. This is the membership login. So what you should do is, in here you will see username and then a password. So what you should do is you type in your username. It's Mabel. This one is all small letter Mabel Oshinowo. Okay, that one. When you type it there, you just have to log in your password. So I already told you it's 1, 2, 3, A, B, C. Then after doing that, click login. Okay. Then your account will be shown. So this is your account. Okay. So as you can see, these are all your earnings. Let me zoom in that one. Can you see it? So for your first account, you just earned $154. For your second account, it's $55. For your third, it's $11. For your fifth account, it's $55, and then for your seventh account, it's $11. So how you are going to withdraw your money? So first, you have to select this. By the way, this is the dashboard. Okay, the one that we are in now is the dashboard page. Okay, so then you will be selecting the account that has money, and then you go on to the encashment. Okay, encashment, and then as you can see, available balance for that account only is 154. So what you should do is then you just type in the 154. Then of course you have to select the bank so that it would automatically go into your Access account. Okay, then select Encash. Okay, so that one. So that is the thing that you would do. Okay, so as you can see, you just have Encash the 154. Your net is $152.90. So that is the thing that you would do for your other accounts. Okay, okay, so going back to your account, as you can see, you have just withdrawn. This is your transaction. Okay, you just have withdrawn $154, and it the money that you will be getting is $152. It would be moved to your Access account. As you can see, here is your Access account number. Yeah, so it would automatically go in there, and then you may now withdraw it. So going back to your dashboard, you just have to select it again there. Okay, going back to your dashboard, you can see from a while ago, this one have a $154 account a while ago, but now it's zero because you already withdrawn it. So that is the thing that you would do with the other accounts. you again select the account. Okay, click the account number, and then to withdraw it, you just have to go on to the encashment, and then type in the $55, the available balance, then just click the encash. So I will not be clicking the encash anymore. I will let you do that so you can experience and be able to access your account. I mean, be able to do your account. Okay, so going back to the dashboard, so it's still there because I wasn't able to withdraw it or encash it. So that is the thing that you will just be doing on your other accounts. So just a recap for your account so that you will be familiar. For the genealogy, yes, I mean this one, you select it again. This is because that is your main head. Okay, this one is the number one, that is your main account. Okay, then select genealogy. For the genealogy, you will see your 7 accounts, your perfect 7 accounts, and then on the number 8 and then number 15, as you can see, number 8 is your son. Your 2 kids. Number 8 and 15 is your 2 kids. So as you can see, that is their name. It was written in there. So that is how you're going to view on who are the person under you already. Yes. And in this area, as you can see, there are 4 people on the left, 4 accounts on the right. So you see. Okay, and then number 2, there are 2 on the left and then 1 on the right, as you can see. And same here, 2 on the right and then 1 on the left. So it's like break even, even genealogy. Okay, and then for the recruitments, just for a recap, for the recruitments, these are all the peoples that you have filed in your genealogy, in your account. So it's all your name. Okay, it's all your name and then your 2 kids. Then for this one, it's the unilevel. This is the unilevel. When you click this one, okay, you will see, this month of November, as you purchase the product, when you have buy or bought a product from the office, they will be giving you a code, again another code, just the product itself. Okay, and then you will see all of your earnings in the unilevel system. Okay, and then transactions, all of your transactions. Yes, this one. So your commission, encashment, processing fee, all of the pairing bonus, all of what happened in your account, you can see in the transaction area. Then is encashment, you already know that. And then the gift check is the gift check. When you click this one, it would be if you have the 5th cycle already, it will appear on the system that you will be receiving a certain product that is worth $33. Okay, that is worth $33 worth of products. That would be the gift check. And then reorder, if you will be reordering something from the head office, they will be giving you a small note, a small code, and then you will be placing it here, sample like that. And then pin 1, and then you type in the pin 2, and then select which position you want to bring in there. Anyways, I will be discussing to you thoroughly when I'll be on my next video for you. Okay, the in-store, if you buy it in the head office in Lagos, and then register multiple accounts. Yeah, this is the one that we're using if you will be registering a 7 accounts. Okay, we use the register multiple accounts. So yeah, so that's all for review, and that's all for how you're going to encash and manage your account in our AIM Global system. So again, thank you. I hope you learned how to manage it. Okay, so God bless you, dear Mabel. Bye bye.